E Nui coming from Sangye, Kepe, and then it goes to Konkolin constituency. Speaker sir, जे नुईक उदो बोन हे दिसांनी आमगेल्या देवमोळ कोंडिंक बाटा शिरवोळ एंड लास्ट इन पारोडा
पुलिस स्टेशनाचेर ते सगळे पुलिस स्टेशनांनी बीट स्टाफ दिल्या आणि स्पेशली फ्लडिंग जाता की जाता उदो बोता विलेजीन येता बट रायजेस सो हाय ते गावांनी किचन आलोय लोकांले बेडरूम आलोय उदो बोला आणि दोन्ही साइडीन का रिटेनिंग वॉल आणि हांव लास्ट टाइम सांगत आसलो आणि म्हाका प्रॉमिस केलें दॅट WRD एंड ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर विल टेक एक्शन आणि उदका गरज आतां लास्ट 3-4 डेज बॅक क्रोकोडाइल
एकूच जीप आसता पुलिशी कडेन एकूच जीप आणि उरलेले 100 व्हेकल म्हणजे 100 दामले जाल्यार ते येता ते हायवे सांबाळता ते मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोडूय पळयता आनी भितरले लेनी पळयता सो 2 गाडयो पावना स्पीकर सर त्या खातीर हांव म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट आहा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की हेचेर स्टडी करपाची गरज आहा आनी हाव यू कॅन कंट्रोल द क्रायम हाव यू कॅन सी दॅट all these people do not take us for granted थोडे जाण कितें चिंता की आमी कितें कांड करून वयतले कितें झगडी करून वयतले कितें मारामारी करून वयतले कितें दादागिरी करून वयतले आता हे सर एक ट्रेंड चालू आहा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर दोन्ही सायडीन
रिटेनिंग वॉल
कोण येता जमनी घेता आणि
very close to that river bank
डिस्प्यूट असत जाल्यार थिंगासर हाडून भायले बाउन्सर हाडून उबे करता भायले बाउन्सर गोंयचे बसत न्हू हे भायले बाउन्सर जे ते एम्प्लॉय करतात त्यांचे व्हेरिफिकेशन काय ना कार्ड ना काय ना हे सगळी वस्तू हे होम डिपार्टमेंटान म्हाका दिसता एक चौकशी करपाची गरज आहा दे हॅव टू सी दॅट ऑल दीस थिंग्स आर टेकन केअर स्पीकर सर हे इम्पॉर्टंट आयज कॉलिंग अटेन्शन आहा मर्डर जाल्लो आहा आनी कोणाकोच क्लू कांयच ना की हो मनीस खंय रावतालो कसो रावतालो कितें जाल्लें what was the motive behind the murder, whether it was a family dispute or whether it was a robbery theft म्हणजे ही सगळी चौकशी करपाची गरज आहा स्पीकर सर एकूच लास्ट सोपयता हांव ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान म्हटलां की सिनियर सिटीजन्स जेन्ना खूब फाटी फोन करता आनी ताबडतोब थिंगासर जेन्ना ती म्हणटा आमकां वी रिक्वायर युअर हेल्प पिंक फोर्स एक आहाच पण तेजे उपरांत म्हटलां tenant verification
retaining wall has to be constructed
because drives are conducted to identify senior citizen अशे विलेजीनी वाड्यांनी खूब आहा आणि तांकां केन्ना हेल्प लागता कित्याक तेंची भुरगीं भायर आसता कामाक और दे गॉन इन अदर स्टेट टू वर्क आणि तांकां हेल्प मागपाक तेन्ना पुलीस त्या स्पॉटाचेर तेंचे घरा लागीं कशें पावता कित्याक तेंचे कडेन एकूच व्हेकल आहा
आणि वादळ
टू व्हिलरी जे आदी ऑलरेडी स्क्रॅच झाल्या थोड्यो आहा
एप्लिकेशन केले इन केपे आणि ऑन द मेन रोड ओल्ड पुलिस स्टेशन फॉर द परमिशन फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट वाले टू कट द ट्रीज आणि आफ्टर सेव्हरल मंथ्स तेमी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट नायदर एनी डिपार्टमेंट डिड नॉट टेक सिरियस नोट ऑफ इट आणि काल एक झाड मोड पडले आणि ते झाड इतले व्हडले आसले की ते
so close
across the road हे साइडीन किन्या पडले आणि कोणाचेर गाडी पडना बट व्हाट माय पॉइंट इज दॅट whenever this applications come जे डेंजरस ट्रीज आहे ते सरकारान और डिपार्टमेंटान तेजे नोंद घेन ते ताबडतोब तेजे एक्शन घेवपाक जाल्ले आणि काल त्या अंजलीसान एप्लिकेशन कोण ऑलमोस्ट 6 मंथ झाले एक्शन घेवून ना तेजेर सो काल ते पडले वन मोर स्पीकर सर आणि एक सांगपाक सोदता रिगार्डिंग लँडस्लाइड मुगेल्या मतदारसंघात ऑलमोस्ट 5 houses लँडस्लाइड जावन मोडा तलाटी येता मामलेदार कोणा मनशा धाडा इन्स्पेक्शन कोतान वयता मुगे एक डिमांड आहा इन दिस की जेन्ना लँडस्लाइड जाता तेंका एटलीस्ट 50,000 एट दॅट मोमेंट ड्यू दॅट ताबडतोब दिवपाक जाय डिपार्टमेंट येता कोडे 5 वा 10,000 तेंका त्या वयल्या 10 म्हयन्यांनी एक वर्सान 5 वा 10,000 मेळटा आसले
विथ ऑडिओ आणि त्या ऑडिओचेर आवाज येता मारलो रे मारता रे
बेर मिनिमम एटलीस्ट 50,000 म्हाका सुद्धा 50,000 व्हडली काय न्हू 50,000 तेन्ना ते ताबडतोब दिवपाक जाय डबल मेंबर ना दिगम आमगेलो मारगांवचो एमएलए बाब दिगंबर कामतीक ओल्ड वॉज म्हाका साऊथ गोवा चडशे जाण ते होमगार्ड आवडटले बाय विमल शिरोडकर म्हणले तेने मडगांवकारांक साऊथ गोवा एटलीस्ट भरपूर हेल्प केले शी वॉज अ होमगार्ड ट्रॅफिक ते तिका आडायताले म्हणजे नियम हाल्ली तेगेले काल घर म्हण पडे आमगेलो एमपी तेगे थिंग घरा कडेन गेलो टू विजिट आणि म्हाका
चेड्याक
तेगे
बसून घेवन
अकाउंटांत गेल्यार
रावता.
501
Somebody
रुपया कितें
just
आहलो
comes and kills
What
you.
I have got to know. So
And he
Maksud,
was
the
found
department now,
half
since
nude.
Honorable Chief Minister is holding
It's a
that
murder, Speaker, sir,
charge also,
where we have to
should
take
give
these things
that
very, very seriously.
आमगेले because
तो
she worked
सापडला,
at
हुंय
least for South
कर्नाटका
Goa, इतू
सापडला.
सार famous ते
And they are
तेका
going to
थिंगा
bring
home
him
market
back and
दिताले सगळे थिंगा
this
cross
cannot
ways
be
जायना
done.
आहले. So government should
Whether
personally
he's
take
my
लोक help करतलो.
relative or
But she
anybody's
was
relative, a
ex
person
and
who is
तेगेले
staying
Gora state
alone.
भरपूर ना Shirodkar.
And
You can
I
find
don't
out and
know,
give her
somebody
some
comes,
compensation
नोये
आणि ते
open करता आणि तुका
मकसद
जेवण
आदार
तुका
करपाक
मदले
गरज
रातचें
आहा. आणि एक
It's a
ओस
terrible
मुद्दम
sight.
नाव घेवपाक
It is
सोदता
really
आमगे
cannot be
फायर डिपार्टमेंट
ignored and looked. I mean, you have to take a serious note of this, and this cannot happen in a small, tiny, beautiful, and state of Goa. Honorable CM has to look into it. Every senior citizen who is staying alone, every lady who is staying alone with a baby. I mean, this
आमगेलो
cannot be
दामोदर
done.
जांभोळकर
This just
म्हणून
has to be
officer आहे,
looked
picture आहे.
properly and
I
interrogated properly.
appreciate his
येस सर ॲलेक्स लॉरेन्स एक मिनिटांनी सोपया येता
एकच मिनिट 2 पॉइंट व्हॅल्यूट करता स्पीकर्स various angles could be different angles could be that man could have been coming to see him
राती
so
कोळे
many things.
साळीकराम
Could be
12
property
लोगीत
dispute.
तेणे इन आमगे
Motive
पारोडा ब्रीफ
जाले बरोबर
तेचा
ते सोदूं
तेणे
मेळना.
कंप्लीट
वयचे जाल्यार link
नियाली
मेळटा
झाडला
आसता
कोण
तेका
आले
तो identify
विथ हिज
जाला.
पर्सनल आखे
There are
टीमी
new
घेन
gadgets that
तेणे
are
ते क्लियर केले सो हांव देव बरो
Cyber
करूं
crime
तेगेले
and
डायरेक्टराक
every
बाब
offense
रायकराक
जाता
वय
ती website ची घाण everyday public information
ऑफिसराक
धाडपा. Every-
म्हाका सुद्दां आमी
every
बाब
crime
जांभोळकर
जाता.
तसो
The modus operandi should be put on the Facebook for people to read. Every village should have one awareness officer to tell the people that this is going on. Grupanche galpa jai. Every crime. For example, new gadgets hele. How to identify scene of offences aje kitko. I would request the Chief Minister to look into these options. There are dumping machines. There are so many things. There are together the mobiles. The criminals are going one step ahead. So this is very
appreciate
important.
करपाक
Second,
गरज
I was looking at
राती को
I think
साळीकराम
it's so
12
easy.
राउंड एंड पारोडा
He's
ब्रिज
saying
क्लियर
that
केले
it is a relative.
बट माय वेरी
We
important
have
demand
reached
is
a
that
level where
when
MLA
landslides take
relatives
place
have
houses are damaged
been,
ताबडतोब
are on the
at least
radar.
like 50,000 दिवपा
So
जाय
I would
सरकारान.
request
Thank
the
you.
Chief Minister, it's a common man that is
Sri
more
Nilesh
important.
Kabral.
So once a
Speaking
common
on the
man
resolution moved over my
needs
colleagues
justice, ते
by
बारीक मनशाक
Divyarani
जर
and
सामान्य
others
मनशाक justice
about
मेळना आणि आमगे गोंय
the
पडे
heavy
हा
flow on
so small.
Valvanti River
दौरपाकूय
and
सोंपें काय म्हाका क्रिमिनल रोकडो मेळ्ळो कित्याक
rain, flooding, inundation, landslide and waterlogging which is happening on the whole state of Goa.
Total
Speaker,
area
sir,
of
I
operation.
will not take much
or
of your
rather,
time, but I will
the
request Revenue Minister
place of operation is
that
small.
I have seen in my
Okay, but
houses, but they do not, the
Amreli
deputy
ji
collectors
state
do not
has a
have powers
peaceful
to give
state,
anything
the
to those
Osha
people.
Shaktimun.
I
Any
think if you seriously look into it, there
let
is
there
fund
be
in the
for,
center of the
you know,
state,
for,
center of the
you know,
state.
identifying,
And we should be able to, before the
criminals,
disaster occurs, we
stopping
should be able to
crimes
do.
also.
I have noticed
They are called
that now we know
citizens.
there are two things, like a
police
tree
has
is
one-
leaning towards the
one thing,
house.
Police has got
That
one.
tree cannot be cut
they-
by the
they
fire
conduct one
department because they
activity
say only
where
if
they
it falls on the
identify
house, then
people
will
who are
come and
staying
cut
alone.
it. And
There
disaster
are people
management
who
order is
are-
passed.
who are having-
Who is sent it to
I would
PWD?
request the Chief
PWD
Minister
has
to
an
put
estimate.
these
By the
things
time the
into
tree is
motion.
fallen and the house
Kal
is
amge
broken.
ek
Example I am
activity
giving you.
Garan bito-
Given
Jone
to the
lut
deputy
kela.
collector, the funds allotted
Jone
to
lut
them,
kela, bito
where
gela,
they can
bedroom
give
gela,
that
and they are
money
sleeping.
immediately.
Chief
Because
Minister,
assessment
they are
is done by
sleeping, and they are
PWD,
sleeping inside.
building section for a building, or
Urdori.
assessment is done.
Amge
There's nothing here, hodgepodge in it. But breaking a tree today, I mean, cutting the tree, nobody comes less than 15 to 20, 25,000. Your 2,000, 3,000 will not work,
From
Speaker,
the bedroom, and
sir.
they
So
are both
let
of
us
them are
find some
sleeping, husband
practical
and wife.
solution to what it is.
They
I am
opened
not
the
saying
drawer,
that they are
they
doing not
opened the
work,
cupboard.
but give the deputy collectors
Cupboard
enough
and
money.
gold
Money can
का
be given,
बाहेर
give them
काढला,
powers.
bag बाहेर काढलाय.
And then
आणि
after
purse
you
बाहेर
take
काढला,
the
मेहरबानी
whatever
hearing होईल.
precautions you
पहिला
give
तो
it.
thing
Powers
बाहेर
to
गेला,
disperse this
example
type of problem. Now,
Listen,
now example
Speaker,
I've given. Paroda,
Zolga
they were
गेला,
saying
सगळे
the
काढला,
river goes
bag
along my
निघाले.
side. We can
आणि
see
दुसरी
the
जागा
embankment
दुसऱ्या side ला
collapsing. Now
बस
WRD
झाला.
will come,
म्हणजे
make an estimate. They
we
will
don't
have
know
come,
whether
but
this fellow
as
is known
disaster
there.
management,
But
if they give
criminals are
that
high.
particular
Gold criminals
powers,
are
in the
high.
sense
Statue
money can be
criminals are
drawn
high.
from disaster,
There are
but
different
if they
types. The
direct them to
police
do
knows
the
it
work,
better. I
they
would
will
request the
immediately do
Chief
the work.
Minister
Otherwise, the
to put
solution is
the-
not there.
put some
So kindly
mechanism
look
in
into
place.
that. It's all
As
over
a
Goa.
Rahani
It's not only in
police
Valvanti
के-
River, but everywhere else
आणि
is there.
राती
So I think
नाकाबंदी
if
पडे
you
हा,
intervene
राती
and give
कॅमेरा
the solutions to
हुंयतरी-
these problems,
हुंयतरी
I think
वन्सचे दोन पॉइंटाचेर एक्झिट पॉइंटाचेर इन एवरी
प्रवीण
विलेज
आलेकर.
एक कॅमेरा घालून आयडेंटिफाय कोण भायर सोदता भितर सोदता फ्रॉम 2 to 4 बॉर्डर्स आर ऑपरेटेड बिटवीन 2 to 4 थँक्यू
विजय सरदेसाई
the calling attention, the fears and anxiety in the mind of the people of state,
प्लॅन्ड मर्डर म्हणजे जाता
flooding
चड करून इन द केस
आणि
ऑफ दिस
landslide.
अर्नल जोसेफ
आयज आमच्या पेडण्या
एक
सारक्या
रेफरन्स
गांवांत
मेळटा की देर इज एन ऑन गोईंग प्रॉपर्टी
स्पीकर
इशू
सर आयज
natural
नाम
progression of the
चडशे
criminal
आमच्या
atmosphere
निगळा
in the
गांव
state.
निगळान
Land grabs जाल्ले आहात. एक
फ्लडिंगचा
व्हडूच
आपण
लँड ग्रॅब जाल्लो आहा.
हेजेर अजूनपासून
बिकॉज
प्रिकॉशन काय
असेंब्लीन
म्हाका दिसता सरकारान
कलंगूटूच
घेवंक
अशी
ना
एक
तेका लागून
केस
म्हाका दिसता
एक फामाद
सरकारान खंय तरी
फ्रेंच एक्ट्रेस
हेजेर हे
मेरियान
घेवपाची खूब
बॉर्गो
गरज आहा कित्याक
तिची केस
जे
हांवें
फ्लडिंग जाता
chief
आतां
ministerच्या
कितलीशीं
नजरेन घालिल्ली.
वर्सां जाली जे आयज
ती
आमचो
गुड आयडेंटिटी म्हणून एक पिक्चर आशिल्लो ते पिक्चरांतली हिरोईन ती फ्रेंच एक्ट्रेस तिका बाउन्सरांनी आपले प्रॉपर्टीन भितर घालून दवरली आनी पुलीस बिकॉज इट इज सिव्हिल मॅटर स्पीकर सर हे बाउन्सर म्हणटा
त्यांनी चारय वाटेन ते सारकी उदक सोडिना तेका लागून एके सायडीन सोडले काय आख्खे गांव बुडान वयता आयज निगळ्या सारख्या गांवांत खुबशे
फॅमिलीचे
लोकांच्या घरांनी बी उदक येयल्ले आसा
आणि ती
आनी
तो
तशेंच
जून 2020
घरांनी उदक येयलें आनी तशेंच लोकांची शेतांय बी पिड्ड्यार जाल्ली आसा आयज म्हाका दिसता 2-3 वर्सां पयलीं ती शेतांनी लोकांच्या माती चिखल गेल्लो ते अजूनय ते काडूंक ना तेका लागून हेजेर खंय तरी सरकारान ताका इतली स्ट्रिक्टली एक्शन घेवन जे पळय उदक येता ते उदक आनी जे पळय नलां वयरसून पासून एटेच करून जे एअरपोर्टाचे ते खंयसर व्हाळान आमच्या नदीन ते सोडपाचे कित्याक हे आमचे लोक खूब सफर करता हेका लागून आनी जाता तितले बेगान म्हाका दिसता सीएम सरांनी एक्शन घेवपाची खूब गरज आसा
क्रिमिनल एम्बोल्डन जाता
तशेंच आमच्या पेडण्यान लँडस्लायडींग खुबशे जाता आयज खबर आहा वॉल मारतात पण जे पळय वॉल मारल्या ती जाता इतली फास्ट बरे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर लावन आनी बरे क्वॉलिटीचे काम करून घेवपाची खूब गरज आसा
आणि कन्विक्शन 100 फक्त 100 कन्विक्ट जाता स्पीकर सर हातून क्रिमिनल काय हे येता फोर्स येता तो म्हणटा आपण केल्या
IMD आज आता एक नोटीस काढल्या that there is a wave surge
खूप केसेस अनडिटेक्टेड उरतात
wave
आणि
cyclone
आता व्हिडिओ
खबर ना
सर्वेलन्स
कितलो.
म्हणून आहा इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावंक जाय व्हिडिओ सर्वेलन्स हे जे कॅमेरा हाडिल्ले आणि व्हडले धूमधाम इनॉग्रेट केले ते सगळे स्टेट वाईड जावंक जाय ते तो पीपीपी प्रोजेक्ट ते सरकारचे पैसे वचनात ते म्हाका चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस आणि पोलिसिंग जावपा खातीर सस्पिशियस इंडिव्हिज्युअल हा तांकां ट्रॅक करूंक जाय आज रेजिनाल्डान सांगले ते भशेन इतले भर पावसांत जर चोरी जावंक शकता घरांत भितर येवन जाल्यार आय डोंट नो ते पसून गांवांत कुतरे असले गांवांत जर जाता आनी कलंगूट कांदोली बिंदोली हे एरिया टेकन ओवर हातून आनी काय लॉलेसनेस इज रीच करता हे बाउन्सर म्हाका 3 एश्युरन्स जाय इन द केस ऑफ नेपाली सेकंड तुम्ही हे सीसीटीव्ही म्हणटा ते कितें जाता आनी तिसरे म्हणटा ते तुम्ही हे बाउन्सर म्हणटा खंयचे कॅटेगरीन घालता by this what government are the rules that govern has somehow crumbled and why it has crumbled is something that the honorable chief minister needs to look into. Landslides are very serious issues. आणि सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की that landslides are the way due to waterlogging and waterlogging जान इतले डॅमेज झालेले
It's a very sad thing to hear about a senior citizen being killed, and my deepest condolences to the family and to the Lobos. Honorable Chief Minister Anwalla, the tenant verification is being intensified, so also drives are conducted to identify senior citizens who are residing alone in the house.
Substandard works.
First part
The
of
Honorable
it
Chief
is
Minister
tenant verification. I could there was a drive of the Kolwale police station, Hapsa police station doing the drives. Let me be frank with you. The drive started there, I began wondering myself how are the drives being conducted. Because normally a tenant verification was being done under an order under section 144 of the CRPC.
Technically,
without that order, there cannot be such verification. And such order can be issued only 6 months at a time. The renew current. If it's not there, the entire exercise becomes illegal. You had brought a bill, the Honorable Chief Minister brought a bill for terrain verification. I just verified it, the select committee Dale elapsed. But I would request, bring one so that you can have a verification, not only of guest house and etc., but even people who may reside, let us say in my own house, we don't know who can be a criminal or who may indulge in criminal activities. That particular stretch, railway station and line in
information was given to a Chinese subcontractor.
From Party phone I could see them going that side.
Chinese
passing
firm
BPS club.
subcontractor was given a
So
subcontract.
if we have this
So
type
what
of
is the
people and
standard
nobody
of
knows
that?
who they are,
Speaker,
I
sir,
gele and file gele,
आमचे
commit a
गोंयचे
crime and
जावई and
disappear.
I
I
believe
think
a
we
very
need
good
to strengthen this
leader,
by a
Suresh
legislation.
Prabhu.
So you don't
And,
have to
he's
repeat
very
144
close to,
orders,
the Honorable
and they
Chief
all
Minister.
get free, and your
He
action
had
becomes illegal.
advised
That is one part
about
of it.
Goa's
Second
carrying
is
capacity,
senior
and that a
citizens,
scientific study has to
verification
be
of
done.
senior citizens.
In the
I
same
feel,
way,
personally, I feel this can
last
be very
year,
dangerous.
I
Because
raised this
if
issue.
somebody in the police
आणि
station has a
आमकां
data
त्या
of
वेळार,
this and leak
he
झालेलें,
emphasized on the
somebody
protection
else
of
gets
Cargill report. It is lying.
unscrupulous people in the police force. Things have happened before. They may also devise a plan, thanks Orpak, or when they go out, how to rob it. It has happened. I can cite you the cases where it has happened. So therefore, you will have to have a foolproof system, how it requires to be, but not identify and keep a list with them. Third is, one suggestion of mine, every these panchayats, a compulsory CCTV camera on main roads. If you can sanction this and make this available for panchayats, because funds na poishe galpa. Maybe the rich panchayats like Michael Lobos in Kandoli, Kalangut and Arpur, the coastal belt, may be able to get it by CSR or whatever. But our panchayats don't have those funds. So if you can make that available, I think this will be sufficient. Oblige.
Shri Viresh Borkar.
स्पीकर सर पयलू म्हणजे सुवारीस फॅमिलीक आमचे कंडोलन्स सगळ्यांचे आनी तुमी पळयलां आसतलें गोंयांत आतां सद्याक खुबशे क्रिमिनल चालूच आसा जावं ते रेप जावं ते मर्डर जावं ते चोरयो ह्यो चालूच
It is
आसा आमच्या
because it is
मतदारसंघांनी
believed
चोरयो
that a
जाल्ल्या
big hill
खूब चालू
station is
आसा.
coming in
आनी
Western
हेजें
Ghats.
कारण कितें
This is the effect.
टेनंट व्हेरिफिकेशन
This is the
मेन
effect
मुद्दो
of the hill
चडशे
that
जे
is
क्रायम
supposed to come
करता
out of
सीएमाचे
the
पासून
destruction.
स्टेटमेंट आसा हे
Has the
भायले येवन
government
गोंयांत
done any study on this?
क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज
Last
सदां
time I
वाडत चल्लेल्यो आसा
pointed out to the Honorable Revenue Minister,
कशें
जे ISRO,
नॉर्मल आमी
what
पळयता
they had
पुलिसांनी
said,
अप्लाय
they
करचें
had
पडटा
said that
पंचायत
because
वयता
of the
पंचायत
soil
वयता
erosion
तेंकां हें करता
and
एकदां कितें जाता
that
पंचायती
announced
पासून
both
टेनंट
the
व्हेरिफिकेशन
districts,
करपाक
North
दिना
Goa and South
अशें
Goa,
दादागिरी
both are
करता